Hey
Hey
guys,
guys,
welcome to
welcome to
Tech Team
Tech Team
channel.
channel.
Hope you guys
Hope you
having
guys
a
having a
nice
very
day.
nice day.
Today in this
Today in this
video, I'm
video,
gonna
I'm
show
gonna show
you
you
how
how
can
can
you
you
use
create
ChatGPT plagiarism
resume
checker.
CV with ChatGPT.
So guys, at first just go to
So
the
you
Google
need
or
to have
Chrome
an
app
account in
for
ChatGPT, and
ChatGPT.
if you have an account,
You
just
need to
go
have
to
an
the ChatGPT
account.
website.
Now in the bottom here,
Now in the bottom here,
just
in
type
the
anything you
message
want.
bar, click on it
Just like
and
I'm typing a
type
paragraph of
for make a resume.
farmers.
Just hold on, guys.
Just hold on guys. After it is completed, just click on this icon here and it will be copied. Now just open another tab and search in the search bar ChatGPT plagiarism
Now you
check.
can just copy it like clicking here,
Now just go to the very
or you
first
can
website
just
here.
simply copy it like this.
Now just paste it. Here you can see analyze option, click on it.
And you can put your personal information in this CV. So guys, that's how you can create resume CV in 1 minute. Hope you find this video
Now
helpful.
here you
If you
can
find this video
see
helpful, then give a thumbs up
the
and please subscribe to
artificial
the channel.
content is
Thank you very much for watching the video.
74.1%.